Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now your data is almost perfect, but there is one small issue that can cause big problems later. Let's stay in the departments table. Look at the site column. You'll notice something like Paris, same city, but written differently. Why this is a problem? Power BI is a case sensitive. That means that these are two different words. To make sure of that, click the filter arrow. You'll find two Paris words. So in your reports, you might see two different categories. Filters may split the same data, and your analysis becomes incorrect. This is a very common mistake. So we're going to standardize the text. Click on the site column. Now go to Transform, Format, capitalize each word. There is another method. Right-click on the site column, go to Transform, then capitalize each word. Power BI automatically fixes the text. Now everything is consistent. You can apply this to other columns too, like names, cities, departments, anywhere text needs consistency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.